Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you send the feedback in the Apple Music application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see three dots. Press on it and here you should press the first option, which is settings. After doing so, you can scroll down a little bit and in the about section you can see the fourth one being provide feedback. Press on it and now you should wait a little bit until the new page loads in, and here you need to enter your full name, your email or Gmail address, the subject, your country and region you need to select, the feedback type, what Apple Music feature is your feedback about. Finally, adding a comment here, preferably I guess a detailed comment, and you also need to select the tvOS version. And finally, how can you typically access Apple Music. And after everything is written in or selected, all you have to do is just press submit feedback down below. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.